Hi guys, welcome to Disruptive Wealth Creation. Today we are talking about artificial intelligence and the best AI shares to buy in 2021. This video is for your entertainment. If you enjoy this channel, please give us a like and subscribe for more content. Now let's get into it. Artificial intelligence. It's no longer confined to libraries and science fiction. It is part of our data-powered and technological world we live in. Robots may have started with winning chess games, but now we can find them in our homes. They are called Alexa and Sirius. We talk to them like humans, and they answer questions we ask them. The robots are not coming, they are already here, in our homes and in our workplaces, not necessarily all looking humanoid. At our workplace, we are also seeing machine learning. With artificial intelligence, what it means is that there's more powered automation. Companies are being offered the opportunity of having simulated versions of their existing processes replicated as digital twins and having them run against their existing processes. The visible improvements are then leading to the digital twin joining the real world. At the Amazon fulfillment centers, the 30 centimeter high robots can lift as much as 450 kg in weight and travel at 3 miles per hour. This automated system means that the fulfillment centers run by Amazon can hold 50% more stock. They can retrieve it 3 times faster than humans, and thus Amazon are making cost drops of up to 40%. And by the time you finish reading this, the systems will have improved even more. At Elon Musk's Tesla Gigafactory, you could see more automation, with robots replacing mundane, menial and repetitive jobs. Workers are getting reskilled and retrained, and new jobs are being created that did not exist before. Today we are looking at 5 companies that have invested in artificial intelligence. The first one is Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation is a multinational technology company based in the United States of America. It manufactures, develops, supports, licenses and sells computer software, personal computers, consumer electronics and related services. It is best known for its Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office and Internet Explorer. The lifeblood of artificial intelligence is data, and Microsoft is only second to Amazon's AWS. Microsoft's Cloud Azure program has seen higher growth than AWS. Also, Microsoft 365 integrates nicely with Azure. Microsoft is also leading the way in artificial intelligence in sectors like health and the military. Since the pandemic, daily usage of Microsoft Zoom, for example, has increased by 50% to over 115 million daily users. If you look at Microsoft's shares, they have steadily been rising over the last 5 years. Their market cap is currently $1.83 trillion. Microsoft's net income for 2020 was over $44 billion, and its sales revenue peaked at $143 billion. The second company worth looking at in terms of AI investment is Alphabet. Alphabet is one of the largest brands and is a leader in the tech industry. It is the largest data collecting company in the world, and it is one of the main players in the AI space. In terms of AI, Alphabet are involved in autonomous driving with their subsidiary Waymo. UBS, or the Union Bank of Switzerland, valued Waymo between $45 to $135 billion, stating that Alphabet's self-driving car could generate as much as $114 billion in revenue by 2030. That's assuming customers are allowed to book a ride in their self-driving cars. Alphabet also has a subsidiary called Calico, and their aim is to focus on health, well-being and longevity. They also look at predicting injuries and diseases and doing genome research. Again, if we now look at Alphabet's share price, it has increased over 5 years as well, in fact by over 140%, and it has a market cap of $1.4 trillion. In the fourth quarter of 2020, Alphabet's revenue was over $56 billion, up from $46 billion the preceding quarter. Alphabet's main revenue source is through its Google site and other online advertising. It dominates as the number one in digital advertising and search engine. And of course, we've all heard of Google Chrome and Gmail. The third company worth looking at and investigating is a company called Baidu. They are the Chinese version of Google. Its price is low and undervalued, and it has a good reward ratio at the moment due to the weak Chinese economy. Baidu's advertising sales have been hit long term. It will actually turn around and do better, because Baidu dominates over 70% of the market share in China, and it plans to build 5 million AI and cloud servers over the next 10 years. Baidu has also set up a project with Apollo, and it has a public robo-taxi service. In Beijing and other parts of the country, Baidu has the most submitted artificial intelligence planning applications in China. And in terms of other companies, it has been the most successful in getting them pushed through. The current trend on the stock market shows that Baidu is on the way up again. The fourth company I've chosen to look at is Amazon. Amazon Machine Learning, AI, understands how humans are going to react and behave to certain stimulus, which makes it a leader in the commerce world. Amazon uses machine learning to understand what customers' needs are. The personal recommendations they make on their purchase platform account for 35% of their Amazon sales. With Amazon, you can control your smart home products and customize your Alexa virtual assistant to your liking with hundreds of skills, for everything from getting better weather forecasts to ordering a pizza. Amazon's share price has been steadily going up over 5 years, and its market cap is $1.66 trillion. Lastly, the fifth company we want to be looking at is a company called Nvidia. Nvidia Corporation is an American tech company based in California, which designs graphic processing units for gaming and makes system-on-a-chip units for the mobile computing and automotive market. It was founded in 1993. Nvidia powers artificial intelligence via its powerful processing chips and software. Nvidia's chips are light years ahead of the competition. The AI 100 is described as a supercomputer in a box. It has more than 54 billion transistors and is the most powerful chip system ever created. Just one A100 packs the same computing power as 300 data server centers. A single A100 reduces a whole room to one single server rack. Their stock has been rising. Over the last 5 years, Nvidia shares have gone up, and their market cap is $371 billion. Although Nvidia's 2020 revenue was $10.92 billion down, that's 7% from $11.72 billion a year ago, it was up 41% in the last quarter of 2020, so its future is looking promising. As you can see, the companies mentioned are large, and they're all quite large multinationals. Many of them are in the Standard & Poor 500. These companies have a ton of cash, and it is a ton of cash you need if you're going to invest in artificial intelligence. I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are thinking of buying any of these shares, please do your own research first. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you want to see more content, remember to press the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.